Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube grows the platform by subscribers and likes. Yeah, so we're shopping, looking for all the deals. There's a lot of clearance. They're moving the whole tools and stuff like that around. So yeah, this is a store away from the city. It's like in the suburbs. Might find some better deals here than the other stores. So this one's 110 piece. This is a huge set right there for $34.98. Not the best deal, but it's $29.98 for the Flex Torques. It's a really nice kit. I really like them, but they're still gonna pricey for my. You got a couple squares, some star bits, some flats, Phillips, and then you got the 2-inch bits. You got some nut drivers there. You got some socket adapters and a magnetic sleeve. $29.98 for the 40-piece Flex Torque set. Was $34.98, I believe. $129 for the circular saw, Dewalt. $129 for the reciprocating saw. You got some blades there for $29. Then $129 for the impact driver. This is the middle grade. This is not top of the line, but it's still, I believe it's still brushless. $19.98 for the 26-piece Flex Torque. It does include some nut drivers and some 2-inch bits. And then you got the titanium 14-piece DeWalt. It's a really nice set. I prefer titanium. That's pretty much all I buy unless I find a smoking killer deal on another one. You got a V20 brushless impact driver, $59.99. If you guys can still find this at the store, make sure you guys pick them up. These are great impact drivers. They're not the most powerful, but they are very powerful for just about everything. V20 brushless hammer drill, $74.80. It's a good price on that hammer drill. $21 on that 30-piece. So really, it does come with the TikTok case. Got some 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits, some nut drivers there, a sleeve, a magnetic sleeve. So be sure to check it out. And then you got some drill bits here, 21-piece. I believe these are not titanium. Or yeah, they are. 2123. It says right there, titanium. So $129 for the reciprocating saw. It is brushless. You got $129 for the circular saw, $249 for the compressor. That's the V20 brushless compressor. It is a battery operated or powered. A 3-year warranty on that. And then you got this $299. It looks like a 4-tool combo kit. Well, you got a light, so it's a 3-tool combo kit with a reciprocating saw. You got hammer drill, or yeah, rotary hammer 159. You got the 4 amp hour battery and a charger for $99. Then you got a drill there for $119. Really basic, but it's still a brushless drill, so that's a good thing there. And then you got this Cobalt. It's a 4-way ball and hex set and 14-piece. So there's running some promotions there. You got the Dewalt impact driver drill driver 149. They got on sale, I guess, for $129. The radio for $249. So that is the radio from DeWalt's really nice. It has good sound quality. $199 for the angle grinder. And then impact driver drill driver for $229. Then you got the 4-port charger there, $199. I know DeWalt has a 4-port charger, and it has a built-in inverter. I believe that's not it. That's just a charger. You got a 30-piece for $14.98 with the magnetic sleeve, and you got some nut drivers there. Just a really basic kit. And you got the radio. This is a really nice radio. It's from the VersaStack, $199. Definitely check it out if you're in this platform. $149 for the hood lights, for the under vehicle or inside hood light, whatever you want to call it. You got a nail gun there. It's a straight $279. It's a battery operated nail there. It does come with the battery and a charger. And then you got the same tool, 4-tool combo kit here for $299. And you got the metal toolbox, $59.99. And then you got these, the Ratchet Set 71-piece, $49.98 with the VersaStack case there. It's a really nice clear case. You got the $29.98 for that big set there, which I'm not really into. This is a 10-piece screwdriving set, $14.98. They didn't have any here. This is just another Dewalt they had laying around there. Oh, they actually had them on the back. I didn't see that when I was filming. $14.98. It's a nice 65-piece set there, Cobalts. I like their bits. They're not the best, but they're pretty good. I like them. $24.98. They're pretty decent. Actually, they last longer than a few other ones I had. You got a 100-piece. This is a really nice set, guys. It includes pretty much every little bit that you're gonna need. Like if you need a security bit, they're really hard to find. This kit's gonna include it. $19.98. I remember I got this on the Christmas sale for like $14 or something like that. Got an angle grinder for $129. A reciprocating saw $129. A router for $119. A multi-tool for $99. $129 for the, looks like a sander there. Circular saw $129. You got a fan for $119. You got an inflator there for $39, I believe. $49 for the fan. And then you got the oscillating $79, and then you got this Bluetooth speaker $99. And then circular saw, and you got a reciprocating saw $79. That is not brushless. Circular saw $79, not non-brushless. Got a vacuum $34. And then you got these lights or these batteries on sale for $14.83 when you buy a minimum of 2. So definitely check them out if you need batteries. Stock up on those batteries. $14.98 for the Cobalt 3-piece locking pliers set. Was $19.98. It is a 3-piece locking pliers. I like the grips, really nice grips. Then you got this 12-piece bi-material handle screwdriver, $24.98. Does include the precision, as you guys see there to the left, the precision screws for the smaller stuff. Crest lockback knife, $9.98. It's a really nice knife. Reminds me of the other red tool. And then $67 on clearance. A heat gun, V20 heat gun, was $99. Now it's $67.46. You got $14.98 for the 65-piece driving bit set. Was $19.98. It's a nice TikTok there. Like I said, I really like these bits. They're, like I said, they're not really professional level, but you know, they're decent bits. $59.40 for this 15 amp 7.25 circular circ saw. Was $99. Then you got the $59.88 for the 7.25 circular saw with magnetic shoe. I heard that a lot of these are plastic. I don't know if this one's actually plastic, the top. So just let me know that in the comment section if you have a Craftsman circ saw and if it's plastic or metal or whatnot. Compact reciprocating saw, $95.20. As it corded, all these tools are corded on this section. Just to let you know, if you want to invest in a platform, then this is the tool for you. A 1/4-inch flexi click, 5-in-1, 135. Then you got this one, the power source Bosch 787, was $29.95. So if you're already on the Bosch line, definitely recommend this tool for you. If you already have those batteries. 1968, you got 300 lumen 12-volt lights from Bosch, was $29.99. So you guys see there, cordless work lights, Luz de Trabajo, 12 volts. So if you're already in the platform, and you got $88.50, 3/8 drill driver, $78.87 for the impact driver combo kit. It's a really nice kit there. And they have these 99 or the 79.20 for the 1/4-inch impact driver kit, pretty much on clearance. They're gonna have the new ones take over pretty much. These are the new ones, $99. And I heard that they're still running the battery deal. It's just that since they don't have any batteries, they're just not advertising it as a free. You're getting a free battery. But if you guys could find that at your store, I believe they're still honoring that deal. Got the 3/8 impact driver for $99. The kit with 2 batteries, 2 smaller batteries, $119 for the screwdriver kit, 1/4-inch screwdriver kit, and you got the reciprocating saw one-handed, $99. That's the extreme. You got the extreme brushless 3/8 impact wrench, $99, was $149 according to this sticker price. It's a really nice. I really like the button on the top, the high, low, and medium there, or auto. Really compact tools, really smaller. $149 for the impact driver kit, G2BL brushless. Was $199, it's now $149. You got the half-inch hammer drill, $129. Was $179. You got the XR half-inch brushless drill kit, $149. It's not bad, $199. You got the quarter-inch brushless impact driver kit, $149. Was $199. And then you got this $14.98 for the 21-piece gold drill bit set. Was $19.98 from Skill. Seen these in different stores. $29.98 for the 40-piece flex torque set. It's a really nice set. I believe we already went over some similar tools like this earlier in the video. And then you got this $14.98. It's a 27-piece rapid load bit set with I don't know what that means, but it does include some drill bits there. Some magnetic sleeve 2-inch bits. $149 for the brushless SDS Plus 18-volt coreless rotary hammer. $149 was the $199. Brushless bandsaw Bear tool, $103.37. That's the way it looks right there. Really nice tools. Definitely check them out. You got the core 18-volt Bulldog Bear tool, $199 was $239. So it was $239. Then you got the impact wrench or driver, half an inch, $169. Brushless from Bosch. Then the impact driver drill jar for $209.40. The core 18 volts. Then you got the hammer drill Bulldog 1-inch rotary for $199. Definitely check it out. $149 for the SDS Plus 3/4 inch rotary hammer kit. Then you got the Hitachi Metabo 3418 for the corded drill. $29.98 for the, what is this, like a 1/4 inch 100-foot hose from Metabo HPT. Not too bad for 29 bucks. Then $69 for this 4 amp hour battery from Porter Cable. And I don't know if I got the footage or not, guys, but there's a Dewalt battery. It's a 12 volts Dewalt battery on sale for $21. Look at your lobes. $132 for this dual bevel slider miter saw. Definitely check it out if you see this at your store. There's still a few of them out there. It's just that these deals been out so long that it's hard to find those. $149 for the impact driver drill driver with 1 battery, the Cobalts, 24 volt max. You got this impact wrench for $99. It's a half an inch impact wrench. Got the drill driver impact driver made in the USA, $199, with 2 batteries and 2 smaller batteries and a charger. This is just right there, Max XR. So these are top of the line. $249 value. You get it for $199. You got a 6-tool combo kit for $449. Was $499. And these are brushless, by the way. All these brushless tools. And then they had this. That's the $499 combo kit. Those are all the tools that it includes. It got an oscillating tool. And then $199 for this 3-tool combo kit. Was $299. Definitely check it out. That's one of the better deals there. $149 for the 3 amp hour battery 2-pack. That's it right there. If you guys need batteries, pick them up. And then this is the battery I was saying. $21.26 was $49 for the 2 amp hour battery. This is a 12 volts. If you got a 12 volt, these for 20 bucks, you're getting a 2 amp hour battery. That's crazy deal right there. And some of them, I didn't believe it when they were having this. Some of you were telling me that they were having them on clearance. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.